Oh, come on. Oh, guys, come on. Cream of broccoli soup, cheddar cheese, a little bit of broccoli on there. Oh, awesome. Hey guys, how you all doing? Welcome to Backyard Chef. Hey guys, welcome to Backyard Chef. My name's Rick. Today we are going to make a broccoli soup. A cream of broccoli soup, but we're going to change it and we're going to have a cream of broccoli cheddar soup. So simple. Let's show you how to make it. Come on. Right guys, I've already chopped up some broccoli. I've got some nice bits of broccoli in there, look. Okay, so that, I'll put that to one side, and I've also done some garlic and onion. In with some butter. In with a splash of olive oil. So let's start our butter off in there with our olive oil. Nice and gently. In with our garlic. In with our onions. So all we're doing, guys, we're just sautéing the onions and the garlic, you know. We just want to take off that rawness off that onion and that garlic. So it's nice and steady. Now I am going to use a shake of pepper in here. I've got a little bit of black pepper in there, look. Now I'm not putting salt in because I've got salt in my soup powder. Unintentionally it's in there with the bouillon powder, so it carries a little bit of salt. We can add the salt afterwards, we don't have to chuck it in now. Just get that sautéed off in there. So we're not going to make a big deal of this, guys. That's sautéing off there. We're going in with our broccoli. So the broccoli can sauté in there too before we add the stock. So what we'll do, we'll go in with a little bit of stock in there. And then put the rest of the stock in. So nice and steady then. Now what I am going to do, guys, I am going to put a lid on this actually. Help steam up that broccoli a little bit quicker. Pop our lid on. So what we want to be doing, guys, we want to be cooking this broccoli till it's about 85%, 80% done. You know, it wants to be soft when you put a fork in, but not really soft and mushy. Let's give it a check in. Another couple of minutes, guys, and that'll be ready to take some out, and we'll put our soup powder in and then we'll give it a blending. Okay, we got that turned off. What we're going to do, we're going to take out a couple of bits there so we can actually put back on for dressing on the top of our soup. So let's have a sifty through. We want a couple of nice little small ones like that just to dress it up, you know. Now you don't have to if you don't want, but you know, it will look better for presentation. Oh, that'll do. Okay, back on. And what we're going to do, we're going to add our soup powder. So 5 of our soup powder, 5 tablespoons, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then all we got to do is work that in there. Work it in. Now don't worry if it goes all over the broccoli, you know, it's going to go in there eventually. So I think we're going to add a little bit more water. Just a splashing of water in there. Don't forget our soup powder has got corn flour in, and the corn flour is a thickener. So this is still going to be quite a thick soup. We might have to add a little bit more water, and then we'll give it a blending. So we're going in with a little bit more water there, look guys, that's enough. And then what we're going to do is give this a blending, but we're going to end up with a really thick soup here. Don't forget guys, you can add as much water as you want. You know, you're in control of how thick you want your soup to be. You know, that is still going to be quite thick in there. So let's give it a blending. So normal, straightforward guys, stick blender. Right, that'll about do it. You know, we don't want to puree the life out of it, you know, we want some texture in there, you know. We want those little bits of broccoli in there when we're eating with our spoon. So all we need to do now is just warm it back through and it'll thicken up. So be a bit careful. Oh, just look at that. So that is a nice cream of broccoli soup made right there. What we need to do is give it a little taste test. Oh, that is unbelievable. That is it. That is cream of broccoli soup made right there. Oh, don't have to add any seasoning to that whatsoever. It's already seasoned, it's enough. But you know, if you want to add a little bit of pepper or salt, that's up to you guys. So there we are guys, that is cream of broccoli soup made. Now to make cream of broccoli soup with cheddar cheese, take some cheddar cheese that we've grated and throw it in there. Now I am going to add a little bit of pepper to this. Not much. And we'll stir it all in until the cheese melts through there. Now again, put as much cheese in as you like. If you want a really cheesy broccoli soup, put more cheese in. I've gone for a mature cheddar. You'll go for any flavoured cheese that you like. Guys, that's it. Basically, that is cream of broccoli cheddar cheese soup made. That's nicely melted in there, that's incorporated in there. That is a really, really nice creamy broccoli soup. Just look at that. Without any cream. Superb. All we got to do now is serve it up. Oh, put a bit of cheese on there. A little bit of pepper, and on with our broccoli. Oh, don't sink in. There we are guys, cream of cheddar broccoli soup made. Cream of cheddar? There we are guys, cream of broccoli cheddar soup made. Just look at that. Oh, come on. Oh, look at that. Oh, we gotta give this a taste test. That is heaven. Oh my word. That is absolutely delicious. Oh guys, come on. Cream of broccoli soup. Cheddar cheese. A little bit of broccoli on there. Oh, Awesome. If you like what we're doing, don't forget to smash that like and subscribe. Share with your friends, all that kind of stuff. Catch you in the next video. That is amazing.